Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to bath or shower small dog. Before I'm going to give her a bath, I'm going to brush her teeth. I use the Hatchwells toothpaste for dogs and cats, and you can use as well the Veterinary toothbrush, or you can buy some of the pet shops. As you can see, brushing the front, you have to do it nice and gentle. And you can apply a small amount with your finger. Initially, try to taste the dog, let the dog taste this. But she knows that already because I've been using that for her for a few months already. And yeah, you have to nice and gentle because sometimes it can give tear to their gums. So yeah, so and before giving a shower, you make sure if it has a very long fur, you can brush it first before giving a bath. It will be easy and get rid of the tangled because once it will get wet, it's very hard to comb it or brush it after the shower. Before taking a bath, make sure to check the temperature of the water. It has to be like not too hot or warm for the dog. And if it is summer, you can take a bit cooler of the water. For time being, the weather is not that warm, so I make sure it's a little bit warm, but not too hot for my dog. And you wet it first. Make sure you wet them as much as you could before giving the shampoo. And I always wet the body first before the head because she doesn't like it wetting the head. Just to make sure that you won't wet the ear. Good thing the ear of my dog is a bit fluffy. It's not the other type of dog that it's really easy to get wet because that can cause infection. Then I use the Pet Salon Glossing Dog Shampoo. And it's a nice shampoo. There's a flavor pomelo, and you can squirt amount and then you can spread it with water. Not too much shampoo because it won't be good for their fur or for their skin. Or there is another option of I have a spare one of a shampoo because I couldn't find the other one already. It's nearly gone. So I'm using sometimes the Animology Pet Care Excellence. There's lots of different kind of dog shampoo. The one I use, white wash for white dog shampoo. So you can get all of those things in pet shop, or here in Ireland we can get it uh, in TK Maxx or any pet dog pet shop. And as you shampooing the dog, you can massage it. They like that one. My dog is very good for now because uh, she's not really as aggressive as like before because she's used to it now. We started giving her a bath since 2 months old when we got her. And every 3 months we will bring my dog to the grooming. So to get the nails done, cut the fur, trim the fur, or get they're going to do clean the ear. So she always booked every 3 months, and it's so funny because the lady who does the grooming she's happy if my dog is going there because she doesn't need to do much, and my dog is so well behaved, and she's so what's this amazed with the fur of my dog, that it's so nice and soft. Before I used to put a conditioner for after the shampooing my dog, but I couldn't find it anymore. I bought it in KK Maxx. It's like an argan oil conditioner. It's really good. It's so making the fur so soft and smell nice. But unluckily, I couldn't find that anymore. I don't know where to find that. But anyway, some shampoo, and there is 2-in-1. There's already conditioner in it. But at the moment, because we usually brush her for at least once or twice a day, in the morning after breakfast, and then at nighttime before going to bed, because she's slept in our bedroom. I don't want any fur. At least if I'm going to brush all the dead fur, the fluffy of the fur, I'm going to get rid of. So and it makes her fur so soft, and she doesn't have any tangles. As you can see, we always brush not more than 3 times, but at least twice in a day we brush her fur. You can see I'm massaging the dog, keep her relaxed, make it lather. You can shampooing it twice if you can, but my dog is not that dirty, and I showered or bath her once a week, and that's enough for a dog. You don't have to wash them all the time. If you're bringing them for a walk, then you can wash their legs or clean their private area, but not really shower. So once in a week is enough. I say I am showing you the other type of shampoo because the other one is nearly gone. And she's ready to rinse off. Make sure you have to rinse them properly, otherwise it will be itchy for the dog. At the beginning, it would be very hard because when I used to bath her, she would be aggressive, and I need my children to help me, or even my husband. Once one is holding and I'm the one who giving her a bath. But now she's used to it. In fact, every time she sees me holding her towel and the brush, she will be very happy because she knows once I prepare that, we're going to go for a walk, because after doing a walk I have to clean her feet, so she knows that sign. When I'm holding her, she knows that she's going for a walk. Now you have to rinse it properly. And again, please make sure the water is not too hot for the dog or too cold.
I'm sorry.
if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and watch some other of my video about how to train a dog, house train dog, and what to do, and if on when on what to do if the dog is on his, or like, it's not menstruation but under period. And I have a video of that. You can go to my channel, one of the video, and yeah, I try to make more video if possible, if I have time. If you have experience like a dog is still not comfortable or not happy with the water, whatever, you can bring a toy. That's what we do before when she was only a few months old. We bring her the toy in the bath, or we gave her a treat, and we always say good girl, and until she will get used to it. Dogs are like humans or like babies, so it really needs a lot of patience, but that's the way it is. Anyway, at the end, when they're trained or used to it, there's no more problem. As you can see, I'm washing again the leg because that's the one they always make it dirty, especially bringing them for a walk. The body is made, and also in her head, because it's so thick, the one in her head, the fur is so thick compared to her body, because she just had a grooming in April, so the fur in her body is not much, and so it's trimmed compared to her head. She is a mixed dog, so she is a Pomeranian and a Bichon, so her fur is like straight and curly. Now this is the last rinse now. Make sure you have to rinse it properly. And also to give you a tip for to avoid any tangle. First thing in the morning after giving them breakfast, and just like a human, just giving a routine to brush the fur to get rid of the tangle.
I'm sorry.
And as much as possible, you bring them to the groomer to avoid maintain the fur. nice and soft, and it won't be entangled, because otherwise when you bring into the groomer, it will be more expensive. If this tangle per tangle, it will be additional cost. So the hardest thing only to bath the dog is when you do it in the head, because they don't like it to go to their eyes. So I always make sure I always leave it the last one. So that's it. And I use her bath towel. And again, you can buy it at any pet shop. So that's it, guys. If you have any comments, or you want to suggest something you want me to do, make any video, just leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel when you're new to my channel. And for those who already subscribe to my channel, I will try my best that I will going to make video for you guys. And if you want me to do any videos that you want to suggest anything, just leave it down below in the comment, so I'll make sure, I will try my best that I will make a video for you guys. So that's it. Thank you and have a good day.